जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 5th chapter कर्म संन्यास योगम 21st श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्री कृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, have an equal vision among all the Atmas, all the souls, and fix your mind and intellect upon only Atma, and bring down your interest, your cravings towards mundane things, worldly pleasures, and start finding happiness within yourself. That means with Atma Dhyanam, you have to start finding happiness. Engage yourself in Atma Dhyanam. Arjuna, if you do like this, that will lead you to attain the endless happiness which is known as Sasvata Brahmanandam. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma helping us to understand how to attain Sasvata Brahmanandam. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Bhāhyasparseshu asaktātmā vindati atmani yatsukham sabrahma yoga yuktātmā sukham akshayam asnute. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service, keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantam apeta krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravo Vineduhu Tam Sarva Bhuta Hrudayam మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Suta Maharshi discoursing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, now Sri Sukha Yogindra answering questions of Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma is an embodiment of Jnanam, and Paramatma never has an attachment with this Prakriti. O Parikshin Narendra, this Maya will be under control of Paramatma. Only with this Maya, all the souls will be taking bodies and will be experiencing all the worldly objects. O Parikshin Narendra, Bahurupa Ivabhati Mayaya Bahurupaya. In dreams, we enjoy so many things. One person will enjoy so many things. All these things are created by Paramatma for our karmanubhavam, to experience our karma. O Parikshin Narendra, in this entire world, everything is created by Paramatma for all the souls. And according to the karma, every soul will be getting their body. This is all administered by Paramatma. O Parikshin Narendra, soon the soul comes into body. Then they will be experiencing all these worldly pleasures, and they will be collecting so much of karma and also papam. That is what causes for all the souls to take so many bodies. Again and again they will be getting into body. And then the soul, the moment gets into body, it thinks that Mama aham iti manyate, I did it, this is mine. Like this, ahankaram mamakaram, I and mine, these things will be tying souls in the bodies. And only when soul realizes about himself, that means self-realization, and only when soul realizes about Paramatma, and only when soul realizes that he belongs to Paramatma, and only when soul realizes that he should be useful to Paramatma, only when soul realizes that he or soul should be working for Paramatma, then this ahankaram mamakaram will be completely washed off. At that time, the soul will not be under the control of Maya. He will come out of that Maya, and he will also have no interest towards worldly pleasures. Then he will enjoy eternal bliss. And also Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma's Sariram, you asked about Paramatma's body. Paramatma's body is not like soul's body. Soul's body is under the control of Maya, and soul's body is because of karma, that kind of body comes to soul. Whereas Paramatma's body is not under the control of Maya, and this body is not attached to any karma. That is why Paramatma's body is known as దివ్యమంగళ విగ్రహం. ఓ పరీక్షిత్ నరేంద్ర, in order to explain all these things to Chaturmukha Brahma and in order to show his real Swarupam to Chaturmukha Brahma, Paramatma spoke to Chaturmukha Brahma. What Paramatma spoke to Chaturmukha Brahma, I am now going to reveal you that. Like this, Sri Sukha Yogindra saying to Parikshit Narendra. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Slokas from Mukundamala Stotram. Nadhenah Purushottame Trijagatam Ekadhipe Chetasa Sevye Svasya Padasya Datarisure Narayane Tishtati Yam Kanchit Purushadhamam Katipaya Gramesam Alpardhadam Sevayai Mrugayamahe Naramaho Mukavarakavayam. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 5th chapter 21st sloka. Bhakhyasparseshu asaktatma vindati atmani yatsukham sabrahma yoga yuktatma sukham akshayam asnute. Bhakhyasparseshvasaktatma vindati atmani yat sukham sabrahma yoga yuktatma sukham akshayam asnute. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.